guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is the 1st of March and today is my birthday and I will be filming a birthday get ready with me. So this is how the look turned out to be. I really hope you like this makeup look, guys. As you all know, I don't like my intros to be too long, so let's just get right into the video. Hey, wait a moment, have you subscribed to my channel as yet? If you have, then thank you so much, you guys. And if you haven't already subscribed, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, let's get right into the video. I'm gonna keep this video very short and crisp, and I'm gonna start by applying a primer on my face. So I'm just gonna be applying my primer on my face first. The primer I'm using is from Inside Cosmetics and this has a really nice silicone consistency which I love. Now I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation with the help of an oval brush or a spoon brush. Honestly, this was supposed to be a chitty chatty session, but I was supposed to go out, guys, so I had to keep it short and crisp. Okay, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Such an amazing concealer. I'm gonna use this concealer under my eyes and on all of my high points to make it look more highlighted. I'm also gonna be reverse contouring, guys. Now I'm gonna be taking the smaller spoon brush or an oval brush here and I'm gonna blend it out. If you wish to, you can also use a concealer brush. Next, I'm just gonna set my base completely. First, I'm gonna set all the places where I used concealer and then set the rest of my face and neck. I'm gonna be taking this taupe shade from this palette and buffing it. So I'm just gonna take my time and apply this on my eye. Next, I'm gonna be using this champagne shade here from this palette and I'm gonna apply it on my lid. So guys, today I wanna keep my eyes really simple, so I'm not gonna do much. As I mentioned, I'm gonna keep my eyes very simple, so I'm just gonna take this brown from this palette and I'm just gonna intensify my crease. And I was not supposed to do this, honestly, but I think the look would be too simple without this. So just to give it some dimension, I'm just gonna smoke out my outer corner. With that, we complete the eyeshadow look, and that is how simple it was. Moving on to my brows, I'm just gonna be taking this brow pencil right here and I'm gonna be filling in my brows. I generally don't go for heavy brows, but today I felt like doing something different, so I'm just gonna go on the edgy side and fill in my brows completely, and then I'm gonna take my spoolie brush and brush my brows thoroughly. If you wish to, you can also use a brown brow pencil. So I'm done with my brows. Next, I'm gonna be moving on to my eyeliner. For today, I'm gonna be using a liquid eyeliner and this is from Oriflame. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that I'm not really a big fan of eyeliner. Like, I don't wear it on a regular base. So I'm done with my eyeliner. The next thing is just to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here and applying it with my little finger. I can use my brush, but I'm too lazy. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna be moving on to my mascara. And for my mascara, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express mascara. And if you've seen my earlier videos, you must have seen this product really often because I'm in love with this product. Ow! Basically, I just dropped the mascara wand on my dress. And oh, by the way, I used the spoolie brush hack to take off that product. The next thing I'm gonna do is just curl my eyelashes. 15 seconds is just enough. Now I'm just gonna apply some mascara. So it's really funny, but I take a very long time to do my mascara, guys. I don't know why, but everything needs to be perfectly coated. I'm very particular about that. So if I don't cut this video, all you're gonna see is mascara, mascara and mascara. So I'm just gonna finish it really quick. Well, not this soon though, I'm kidding. Just wanted to tell you that mascara takes a very long time. So I'm done with my mascara. Moving on, I'm quickly gonna contour my face. I'm using the Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. It's a 2-in-1 palette where you can bake your face as well as contour your face. So I'm basically gonna contour all the places that I generally do, starting from my cheekbones to my jawline and also my temples. And of course I'm not gonna ignore my nose, you guys, because I love nose contour, but I'm not gonna go very heavy with my nose contour because I just wanna keep it very little, and hence I'm not gonna use a very precise brush. I'm just gonna apply some blush on. As you all know, we generally apply blush on the apples of our cheeks, and I'm just gonna drag it slightly above. Okay, so guys, I generally never go for this color of blush on, but let's try something new. I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of highlighter. If you've seen my previous videos and know me well, you'll know that highlighter is my favorite part about makeup and I cannot skip on highlighter. So I'm just gonna highlight all the major parts of my face, which is basically nothing but all of the high points of my face. I'm not going very heavy. And to finish off, I'm just gonna apply a lipstick. And I'm using the shade Mauve by Maybelline Lip Gradation. So if you are wondering what just happened, the lipstick just fell off, guys, on my pants again, and this day is full of blunders. Oh, it's just that I'm being clumsy because I'm getting late. I don't know, too many blunders happening today. Initially I went for this shade called Mauve by Maybelline's Lip Gradation, but later on I went ahead and changed my shade, and I felt that a dark color would suit this look better, so I went for a different shade. Basically this is a mixture of two different shades. So the first shade I've used is this Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade Red. Next I've used Raw Cocoa from Maybelline's Powder Matte collection. So if you know me well, you'll know that this is one of my favorite nude lipsticks, and I try to pair this up with any and every other shade. So for the last step, I'm just gonna dab this for one last time so that everything meshes together and doesn't look so flashy. Oh my god, is it just me or does anyone else feel irritated when there's a hair on your face while doing makeup? Okay, so I was saying I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend everything in, because in case there are any brush strokes or any imperfections, they are just gonna get blended in and meshed in well, making my makeup look perfect. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video basically. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, it's a wrap, guys. I'll see you all super soon with another video. Until then, bye.